Okay, welcome back. Let's go for doing something more amazing. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a word for me. Okay, we create this line of code. I call it the command. Let just import this library and just for in this line for using linear model we use logistic regression. Let's run it. The kernel is connected. Okay, now for x in range score list x, but the something we forgot, it's that the data y is not final. We must change it to, let me see the data. The data is here. Let me see. The final is pass. Pass. Where is the final? I lose it. The side. Okay, pass. Now run it. Now run it. Okay, unable to curse length must be 1, give 20. Where is the problem? I didn't find that. In which line? Linear regression data. In line. Okay, we just cut them. Maybe you don't have R2 and then run it. Okay, the code is running great. I find out the problem. The problem is here. We don't have this. Okay, let's run it. Run it. Linear regression, return A, B, C, and we don't have this thing to return. Okay, it says it can. I somehow, let me delete this. In some places it's doing great. The first, the second, the third, the fourth. The logistic regression code is running. I don't know perfectly or not, but it's running. The important thing, it's running. Okay, let's change this line of code and say return y pred. Let's see what is return. Return y pred and y test. Okay, if it return and don't print them, we don't get anything. The print y pred, y test. Now run it and see what happened. Okay, it done the work. Okay, let's see. The first one is 1 0 1 0 0 0 1. That's not working well. Everyone is 0. That's not working well. Everyone is 0. That's not working well again. Everything is 0. That's not working well again. Let's change something to a better, for you to better understand. This is the main property that we can use. Let's making some interesting. Okay, I will give you some interesting example in the next lesson. Until then, don't forget to like and subscribe and have a good day. Bye.